District heating just reached next level.
Bling bling.
The district heating plants really struggle with corrosion on steel pipe. PP have no corrosion. The welding is so fast. A few minutes, we have welded 2 pipes together.
Look forward to minimized trench work. Say goodbye to welding in dirty ditches. Aquatherm Energy is assembled above ground. Obstacles? Just bend it. How about making more daily progress?
We pick this also in the future because this PP pipe is 3 times faster than steel.
Aquatherm Energy, the next generation of district heating. Get in touch to learn how effortless, safe and sustainable your district heating can be. Aquatherm, we are part of the solution. Are you?